Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on Google Maps voice, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on Google Maps voice on your phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon over here. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the settings at the bottom of the screen, and kind of interface will appear. Now we'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can see the navigation settings option available for us. Tap on navigation settings, and this kind of interface will be here. Now at the top of the screen, guys, you can see there is the sound and voice setting where it says mute state and the guidance volume. Now in order to turn off Google Maps voice, if you're on the muted section over here, tap on the unmuted button over here at the right side. Or if you just want to get the alerts of your Google Maps, tap on alerts only, but we will be turning on the Google Maps voice permanently. So let's tap on unmuted over here, and you can also choose your guidance volume, either softer, normal, or louder. We'll be just going to the normal. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to turn on Google Maps voice on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.